Hello everyone. Good day. We are here now in the seaside. Thank you for watching guys. Hello everyone. Let's swim. Who want to swim? Come here. A very nice ocean. There are nice weather. I want to show you uh, if you want to swim. Let's go. Hello 9 viewers. Thank you for visiting our channel. Hello viewers. Welcome to the channel of Dimataling Viners. What a wonderful places here in Dimataling, Zamboanga del Sur. There are the islands who are very nice looking. Philippines is a very nice country full of treasures. all are naturals. More on minerals, nice views, everybody. There are two women here together with the kids. You wanna see? Yeah. Who's this?
Mama,
She's swimming.
Dad.
Live sa YouTube. 5 viewers. Hello.
Hi. TikTok, ang ito lang. Hi everyone. I'm a beer. I am a beer. How's everyone here, dear? Guys, hello. Welcome to my live, everyone. 3 viewers, thank you so much. Welcome to my sea. We have a seafoods here, oh. Seafoods, oh, wait. This one, do you want to eat this one? This kind of seafoods, guys. Super yummy seafood. Dito sa kuan, be, TikTok, be. Go. Ikaw magkuan. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, everyone, sa TikTok, be. Makakuan ta. Hi, everyone. I'm swimming kasi. Magkuan mo din na sila, be.
Okay guys, thank you. I end my live. See you next live. Thank you for your support. God bless.
Labi na, wala ang istan. Ang istan, be. Limot kong dala, be. Lagi yun, kato, be, nga magdalag istan.